I'm building a stick shelter hut in the woods. That's the door. And you don't need anything. All you need is sticks and leaves. And I'm filling in the back end. And eventually it will have to be covered with leaves. So we'll go in and take a look. Starting to get dark. So down here I'm going to put a lot of leaves and stuff in the walls, and the top with leaves would be nice and dry down here. You need about 3 feet to be waterproof anyway. And I'll just leave the sides probably, since I won't be out here until Christmas in the woods.